Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here to do a quick look at the day. Basically, I live in New York City and today was a bit of a rainy, dreary day. So I came up with a comfy, casual look. And basically what I'm wearing are ankle booties that I got from Target. Wearing some knee socks, high knee socks, some sweatpants that I got from Victoria's Secret, a crop top, my scarf, and a long oversized cardigan, in addition to this oversized red bag. So let me give you a look from the back. There you are. Let me actually fix the bag. Front, my hands, all that. And you can see the hair. Today I have the hair in its natural state. I haven't done anything to it. You can check it out from the back as well. Yes guys, so thanks again for checking in. Stay tuned for the next video. Please rate, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you dig the look. Peace.